As with the airline life vest, you should only disassemble to the extent necessary to service the vest. Let's open the vest up, starting with the original crew vest. Start by unbuckling the buckle, then unzip the zipper. Separate the outer cover. Unfold the life preserver. Remove the cylinders. Remove and discard the seat seal gasket. To remove the life vest from its cover, untie and remove the cords at the front and top of the vest. To open an X-Pack vest, open the Velcro on the side and separate the side zipper all the way around. Take the zipper slider and move it to the other side of the vest. That will get us ready for folding. Unfold the vest and remove the cylinders and seat seal gaskets. To remove the X-Pack from its cover, untie the two cords at the front of the vest. Then pull one side of the vest through the loop at the top of the cover. Removable inflators are removed the same way as on airline life vests. To remove the light, pop it out of its holder. The battery is not secured. Whistles are tied to the vest with a bowline knot. Older vests secure the whistle with an elastic strap. Newer vests use hook and pile fastener. On a Spec Ops vest, the whistle, knife, and mirror are in pockets on the vest cover. Vests with MOLLE straps may have removable accessories. The accessories are attached to the life vest covers with snaps. Snaps with a dot must be opened at the dot. Some vest models include a spray shield and hood. On newer models, the hood is attached to the life preserver by a cord. Two older models, the S7200-14 and the -19, have the hood sewn directly to the cover assembly. The X-Pack MOLLE Plus vest includes a strobe light and a buddy line. To remove the strobe light, remove it from its pocket. Then remove the cord from the pocket. To remove the buddy line, first open the pocket and remove the line and toggle. Now you can remove the pocket from the vest.